All right, so I'm at Fisherman's Wharf around Christmas time. They have the lights up. They have snowflakes right up here in Fisherman's Wharf. I'm gonna go in a little bit, and the first thing I see is they have a Hard Rock Cafe next to a gigantic Christmas tree that they have going on right here. Hard Rock Cafe. It's right over here. Let's see what else they have going on. Go check this out a little bit. It looks like a regular Hard Rock Cafe. They have a guitar near the front. It's actually based on the entrance. And yeah, it's Hard Rock Cafe. A lot of people out here right now. We're just gonna walk around a little bit. The Rock Shop, Ride, the Flyer, Family Adventure. Nice place to get souvenirs from. A lot of restaurants around here. They have Wipeout Bar and Grill. Probably have, it says live margaritas. They have Santa Claus. It's lit up pretty well. They even have a Biscoff coffee corner right here. That's Santa Claus sitting up. Just a little coffee shop, something going on. Place where you can get sourdough bread, mac and cheese. You have the iconic bubblegum shrimp. Where you can get shrimp. Let's walk out so you can see the area a little bit more. Clam chowder and a sourdough bun seems to be a pretty famous dish. People like to get. A lot of shops that you'd see in the mall, like a Lids. There's some sort of light fixture, light bulb. Goes right here. People taking pictures. Let them take a picture really quickly. It's Pier 39. Nicely decorated. You have lights to the side. Just gonna go through it a little bit. Pretty cool looking. A light bulb. Goes out to the pier. Everyone taking pictures to get in there. Looks like they're having a good time. A lot of shrimp places. What is this? Trisha's Mini Donuts. So like small donuts in here you can get. Trisha's Small Donuts, see what these are. Looks pretty good. Hello. It's a donut shop if you like to get donuts. This is interesting right here. It's around Christmas time and they have this right here. It looks like Barbies on a Christmas tree, a makeshift Christmas tree. Not your classic Christmas tree. Nice music playing. Close to Alcatraz, a lot of people come here before they try to take a trip or go take a trip to Alcatraz to visit that historic site. A place called the Magic Shop. Let's go ahead and walk in here and see what this is all about. Like a lot of magic gifts right here. Looks like a genie or something, a sorcerer mixing here. Nothing is impossible. The very word itself says impossible. Gotta use that one. So, a lot of magic toys in here. Appearing glass. The UFO card. It's a pretty cool store right here. Magic wand. Very interesting. This is a magic shop. Nice area to walk into. Gonna get out of here. Bookstores. Something called San Francisco Gold. It looks like they sell jewelry somewhere. Pepper Paradise. Let's sell some more. So there's a lot of clam chowder places around here. You have Pepper Paradise, where you can buy all sorts of peppers and spices. Looks like a lot of hot sauce, and this should be interesting right here. Hello, how are you doing? So it looks like a lot of spices that they have in here. Look at this icky dog or lucky dog. I didn't see the other side. A lot of different types of hot sauce in here. It's pretty cool, pretty impressive store right here. And all sorts of spicy things like jelly beans. Hold on. It's really interesting. I've never seen so many bottles of hot sauce, so many varieties of hot sauce ever. Looks like the connoisseur here, some of the local hot sauces that people make. Hot sauce star, pretty nice. I've had this before, this truffle hot sauce, really good. Thank you. Scoville hot pepper scale. So this is pretty interesting. Some people like to have this scale right here when they do hot pepper eating contests. It shows you the level of hot for each individual one of these peppers. All right, it's getting hot in here, so I'm gonna go ahead, walk out.
Okay.
What is this? Looks like a knife store. The Swiss Army knives. Yeah, how you doing? All sorts of knives right here. Switchblade knife. San Francisco 49er knife. A lot of knives in here. Switchblades, jackknives, all sorts of. This is store's pretty sharp. Daggers. You have a Batman mask and a Joker mask. It's a pretty interesting store. More souvenirs and more lights to bring in the Christmas. I'm gonna walk through this right here. This is one of the lights. Gonna walk through this right here. Pretty cool. Those Christmas lights that they have up. Looks like I'm getting close to the end of the pier. Just gonna walk up. Crazy hats.
Thank you.
The left-hand store, not the right-hand store. I'm gonna have to check that out in a second. Go in there really quickly. Lefty. What does this say? I may be left-handed, but I'm always right. So they have a lot of stuff for left-handed people, but I want to be right, so I just left. Wait a minute, that didn't make, wait, you know what I mean? Here's a carousel, people waiting in line. Looks like I've come to the end of the road. And there's not much left. There's a bubblegum shrimp. Right there. Get up there and get to a bubblegum shrimp. The carousel, not many people on there yet. 7D ride experience. Not exactly sure what this is right here. Looks like some sort of video game, perhaps. Might have to do that. Looks pretty cool. They have video games in the back. Lucky Duck store. And sports bar. And that's pretty much it of Fisherman's Wharf. It goes back out to the back part of it. You can see the ocean. There should be some sea lions perhaps out there, laying out there sleeping. We'll go see the sea lions before I sign off. We're getting to the back. It looks like a magnet store for people who just want to buy magnets. People enjoying the night. Peaceful night. A lot of tourists out here. Very calm, not too loud. Not what you would expect from a highly touristy area, but it's the off season, like I said. So there wouldn't be many people here. So I'm gonna walk around to see if I can see any of the sea lions. People looking over the edge. Let's see what they're looking at over here. I don't hear any sea lions. I think there are some. There's that iconic Ferris wheel that I was mentioning earlier. It's lit up. Now, I believe the sea lions would be over here in this area. They may be in the water because of how cold it is right now. But usually the sun is out. They're sitting on, oh, I hear something. So I think those are the sea lions right there. I hear the sea lions, but I don't see the sea lions. So I'm gonna walk down a little bit. I think they're sitting on that platform right there.
Honestly, chemical engineer is the one job you get. Like, you have to be in the
All right, so I don't know if you can see them, but I'm gonna try to zoom in so you can see the sea lions just a little bit. Go to the other side, there's other people watching the sea lions. Someone sounds like a sea lion. And zoom in to see if we can see it. The Ferris wheel is giving us a little bit of light, but if you look closely in the middle of the screen, you'll see the sea lions on this floating platform. Do you hear that? First I thought it was a sneeze, but I guess it's a sea lion roaring. Roaring. Did I say that right? Roaring. Looks like they're in for the night, ready to catch some Z's. And that is Fisherman's Wharf. Complete tour. Have a good night.